Hello sir, this is your app VNEZ. Okay, this is the user app and this is your provider application. And now you can see your provider past booking and much more. Now let me show you how the app works. I open the user app. I can see services inside category by location. So you can see this service is by provider called Hitesh Kumar. Okay. And now I can choose date I want the service on and I can click on confirm. And I can, that's how I make a booking. I can click on home and this is my booking. Okay, I can see my booking. And now we will open the provider app to confirm this booking. Now I click on assign and I click on assign myself, because if a provider wants, he can assign himself. And now I can click on start booking. And now a customer will go to the provider place and click on start. The booking has been started. The provider is doing the booking, is in process. Now let's assume the provider has completed. So he will tell the customer your booking is done. So the customer will click on done. And that's how the booking get completed in the application. And now the provider can confirm the booking is completed. If there is any extra charges, then he can add the extra charges, anything like let's say extra service, and let's say it was 20 rupees. So the provider can add it, save it, and now this extra charges will be confirmed by the user. He will pay now. He can pay by cash on delivery, Razorpay, and all the other options. So you can see online payment options are showing here. But now can you show that? You can click on cash on delivery if you want to pay by cash, and that's how a provider will get cash confirmation. And now the provider will confirm that yes, I have received the cash, and now he will give the proof of his service. Let's say he did the haircut, so he can click a photo of the customer. This is just to make sure that the provider actually gave the service to the customer. And yes, the service is completed now. Now the customer can give a 5-star rating to the provider. This is the basic features of your application. Okay, and now let me show you the feature of the provider cash. So here you can see the provider earning today. You can see a button called how much cash you have received. If this payment was online, you would not have showing this button. You can click on this and then it will show a payment gateway here, and then the provider can pay to the admin. That's how your app is working. Thank you.